Everything about what we do is about feeling. We have a McLaren DNA that we look for in all of our cars.
From the very beginning, collaboration between Monroe Intelligence System and McLaren allowed us to deliver outstanding performance and at the same time a very useful daily usability of the car.
We have similar goals to make great products, so there's a good synergy there. Really our aim is to produce the best supercars all the time. My personal goal is always to move forward and try and constantly improve and do better and put new systems on the car that give you groundbreaking technology.
Together we deliver exhilaration and thrill. We also engineer comfort and safety, creating amazing concepts that challenge previous assumptions about what is possible.
The McLaren 12C was the first supercar we developed here at McLaren, and at the time the choice of the partner for suspension was critical. Monroe was a partner since then for all our products here at McLaren, contributing to the success of our brand.
I've been working with McLaren for over 10 years now. So from the early days of P1 and then all the cars following next.
This is a partnership. As the customer, we as McLaren really push the MIS team in what's feasible to deliver from the system. Conversely, we're pushed by the MIS team to make sure that we're utilising the hardware in the way which maximises the attribute that we get from it.
It's a special feeling that you drive a car and then to see the end product and could feel the achievement. Yeah, that's a rewarding feeling.
Kinetic is a bandwidth tool. It allows us to deliver a ride quality which is really beyond anything else in our market segment, whilst also being able to deliver a completely different feeling on track.
The kinetic system from Monroe really gives us a huge amount of versatility in how we set up our car, and it is also a nice, compact, lightweight system.
Simplistically, Kinetic is hydraulically interconnected dampers. We connect the front and rear dampers across the car, and it makes a hydraulic anti-roll bar. The advantage of that is that we retain hydraulic steering, as we therefore use a power source from our steering system to be able to make stiffness changes to that hydraulic anti-roll bar. What that allows us to do is set up the behaviour of the car biased towards a more comfort attribute on road and a more response and support attribute when we're on track.
It starts off with what are our targets, what are we trying to do, what are we trying to improve, and then you go through the phase of brainstorming, idea generation, and then gradually you kind of focus in on what the optimum solution is for that particular product.
Well, McLaren is for sure challenging to work with, and they want to each time go beyond the technology. It is challenging to go beyond. It is also very exciting to go beyond.
When we're laying out a car, there's always a fight for space, whether it's with package space needed for frame, the engine, the aerodynamic devices and flow concepts that we have in our cars.
And the advantage that we have is that the MIS team are design responsible. We go to them for their expertise in the hardware that they deliver. But at McLaren, we've built up over the years a really good understanding of the inputs that they require in order to develop that system.
I think McLaren indeed wants perfection in their drive, perfection in the experience, and the technology needs to accommodate that.
With the team of people that we have around us and our partners, specifically Monroe Intelligence Systems, it becomes quite easy to find that direction to keep continually moving forward. I'm really excited about the future opportunities with Monroe. We have a fantastic suspension system. At the moment, we have various other concepts, and I'm really excited to get those products into market.
I like the challenge, let's say some room of improvement, then to take that challenge and bring it to the next level for the next model.
I think the first time when you enter the McLaren building, it can be very astonishing to see the boulevard with all the historical cars. I think that's an experience that you will never forget. I'm excited that our cars can be part of that history together with McLaren.
We have great confidence that this relationship will be stronger and stronger in the future, and we can deliver our customer an outstanding driving experience.